got potato blossoms. I got bean blossoms. I got cauliflower. I got broccoli. I got kohlrabi. Best type of plant, shredded in coleslaw. I got blossoms forming on my pumpkins. I got some Hawaii corn coming up. Hey everyone, just an update on some items we're adding to the prize package. Some hand sterilizer, small little 3 traveling pack. Some Instacloth. Converts from a tablet to cloth. All you have to do is add a splash of water. Kind of a neat thing, never heard of it before, and maybe someone can do a review on this, see how it actually works. Couple 100 feet of jute twine. A lightweight rain poncho. One size fits all, reusable if you're not too rough on it. And last but not least, a copper penny from the 1980s, which they no longer make in Canada, so someone may want that for their collection as a gift from me. So just to update you as the sun goes down, things are coming along nicely. Looked at some land yesterday, pretty well got it narrowed down to the area. A lot of title searching and paperwork I've been doing and researching on the properties. The system here is different than the Atlantic. There's a lot more freedoms on building, etc., so that is good. Checking out the titles and the owners and seeing if the plans and surveys actually match up to what they're promising. It's great that I can be able to do a lot of that work on my own, having done that before as well. So I just want to thank everyone for the patience and the wonderful videos that are coming out and the support. And I'm very optimistic. Things are going to be exciting where I'm going. So much to see and so much wilderness. Elk. When I was on my trip, I saw deer, I saw eagles, beavers, geese, you name it, it's there. So it's going to be wonderful. So as the sun goes down on this beautiful area and time keeps passing by before I leave, I want to leave you with a few views of some of the wildlife I captured in the last few days and say peace, take care everyone, things are going great, thank you. The days are getting shorter here, but it sure is beautiful in the evening. Gotta kiss an angel good morning. You can really tell that fall is in the air as soon as August comes. We're a few days away, but already there's a heavy dew on the grass. It's so peaceful this early morning. The magpies have had some chicks again this year. And you can tell there's not some new baby birds. Their feathers seem to be wet, even on a dry day. I've always liked how this building has looked with its weathered boards, and that's why I want to build something out of wood. Just leave it natural, maybe stain it or oil it. I know that birds' nests are going to be a factor in the new place, because when you're getting remote, they like to have a place to nest. Here there's lots of swallow nest, for sure. It's so peaceful. This morning you can even hear those little flies buzzing. There's lots of little butterflies and moths. They're very hard to get in the camera because the hay stalks are so long. It's a hummingbird here, feeding on the cowfetch. Won't be long and they'll be flying back on the back of a goose. It's so peaceful and clear in the sky. You can almost reach up and pluck the moon. You can almost even see the earth spinning. That's how still it is down here. I always love these type of grasses in the meadows. Sometimes nature is so peaceful and quiet. It makes you want to sing inside. This song just came to mind and I don't know why, and it's like painted ladies and don't ever wait till it's going to appreciate it. That's why I've appreciated this from the moment I came. And we'll have some fun.